Hi, I'm Jordan Bourke. I've got a delicious chicken, kale and chickpea stew which I'll be cooking on my Rangemaster. We'll be doing it on the stovetop but then also in the steam oven, which locks in lots of flavour and also makes it way quicker to cook, and it's perfect for this time of the year. So to start off with, we're going to sweat off some onions, some dried chilli, some chopped fresh rosemary and a few cloves of garlic. And just to bear in mind with seasoning, you can do it to taste with salt and pepper, but just if your stock is already super salty, then just tone down the amount of salt that you're putting in yourself. Lovely, so once the onions are nicely sweated off and golden, then you can add in pretty much all the rest of the ingredients. So just putting the kale straight into the bottom of the pan, the chicken, which I've just cut up into little thin slivers, and then chickpeas. I've used the jarred chickpeas, but you can of course use the tin chickpeas if you like. And then in on top of that, the wet ingredients. So you've just got a tin of chopped tomatoes and then half a litre of stock. Because it's in a steam oven, it's going to add in loads of moisture anyway, so don't worry if it looks, again, a little bit too dry. This is looking absolutely beautiful now. All we have to do is add in the Parmesan, put in most of the Parmesan, just leave a little bit to sprinkle at the top at the end, and a couple of tablespoons of creme fraiche. This just adds a bit of depth, thickens it up, and gives it lovely flavour. Obviously, if you have used a stock that is ready salted, bear in mind that you might need less Parmesan. So now all you have to do is dish it up. So sprinkle over a little bit of the remaining Parmesan and then a little bit of dried chilli and some olive oil over the top. There you have it, chicken, kale and chickpea stew, perfect for this time of the year. A hearty, warming bowl of goodness. So just dive in.